Hi, Kim.
Hey, Chrissy.
How are you?
Fantastic. How are you?
I'm great. I know you and love you. And I was just wondering if you can share a little bit about who you are.
Yeah. So I'm Kim. I'm a massage therapist here. And recently we have added these amazing tools to, give our clients additional opportunity for healing.
Yes, we need lots of chilling and healing right now, right?
And so what these are, it's a fascia blaster, and they're not new, but they're new here as a service to people. And this allows me to get deeper into people's tissue and working with their fascia more than my hands can do when there's certain injuries. So right here I have a 51-year-old male, and you can see here he's got a scar here from a rotator cuff surgery. So we're going to work on working on this scar tissue, and you can feel the adhesions in there. And we're going to work on loosening this up, breaking down that scar tissue, getting some normal feeling back in there. And this tool just helps to do that because it can do more than my hands can do. And it can get into the deep layers of the fascia.
And what is fascia?
Fascia is everywhere in our body. I think the easiest way to explain it or help people visualize what it is, if you look at a steak and you can visualize all that white marbling throughout the steak, it's everywhere in the steak.
Yeah.
That is what fascia would look like in our body. It's in all parts of our body, throughout all of our tissue. And it can get bunched up. It can, it hardens. And then when that happens, it causes pain. And so when we can get in there and we can loosen it up,
and make it healthier, right?
Gets the tissue healthy again. It can break up these adhesions. It helps with pain. It helps relaxation. It gets the blood flowing.
Better mobility. Which is huge.
Yep.
And pain. And I have seen it make a difference where it softens your scar, so you can really renew your skin.
There are amazing benefits to this. I've seen some folks share pictures of scoliosis. Before and after of people, and not one and done. I mean, it takes work and consistency, but I've seen some amazing pictures on people with severe scoliosis, and with just fascia blasting, how it's really helped decrease that scoliosis in the curve. Just absolutely amazing.
So amazing.
Yeah. And so as I'm talking about, he has this scar right here, and I want to help break up the adhesions. I'm not just going to work on this area. I want to do the whole area, and it would be most beneficial to do the whole upper body, his neck, his arm, his hands, because everything is connected. That fascia is everywhere. So you don't necessarily want to do just one area, which is why you may be looking at this saying, well, his scar is here, but you're over here. And I'm just working all around. And then I'm going to work here too. So once the tissue is warmed up, and you can see how he's pretty red here. Okay,
and
this
is good, right?
The blood. Yep, we've got that blood circulating and flowing. So I know that he is really warmed up now. And then I can work deeper. So now I can get this guy, who's a little bit bigger, and this is just going to go a little bit deeper. And just work more than the little one.
And when you find a knot or something, you can loosen that up.
Yep, this can really help. People have some significant, what we lovingly call knots. This absolutely can help get in there deeper and break those up as well. And honestly, as a massage therapist, I like to refer to this as job longevity, because it's going to save my thumbs. So I can really get in there and dig more so than my thumbs, because I need these guys working for years to come. So
yes, amen. Yes, we need you.
This is a win-win. And this right here, this little nugget, that can really help me get in deep.
That is awesome.
This is my new thumb.
I love it.
Yeah.
That's amazing. And so this helps with so many different things, from plantar fasciitis, which we've helped our dear friend with plantar fasciitis relief. And she even said that she had 9 physical therapist appointments.
Like 3 months worth.
3 months worth.
And one visit of this gave her more improvement than all those physical therapy visits.
Which is pretty miraculous. And I think we're going to be having her do a testimonial very soon.
Yeah. I've worked with a girlfriend here who actually has rotator cuff issues. She is now 95% improved. And after the first session, she had no pain until about 1 a.m. when she moved in bed, and then she could feel the pain again. And then I did another session on her yesterday, and when she left, she had absolutely no pain in her shoulder and also in her trigger thumb. She had no pain as well. So I'll be curious to hear, you know, how she's doing with that.
And so every session is customized, right?
Yes.
So they can book a session with you. They can do a 30-minute session or
a full hour.
Or full hour.
Yep, I've been doing some full body because this is great to work on someone's entire body. Because again, it's not just one area. The fascia's throughout our entire body. So from head to toe, we can really get in there and work with all of the fascia.
Awesome.
So yeah. So even if somebody doesn't have a specific injury, this will benefit them.
It's overall wellness.
Exactly.
And they can enjoy a complimentary infrared sauna to heat up their bodies and detoxify.
Yep.
And then you do the fascia blasting session, which is like the ultimate healing and renewing our bodies.
Yeah, you always want to do this. You want to heat it up first. You want to warm up the body first. You always want to use oil. So you can see I put some oil on here because you want to do this on bare skin, and you want a good glide. You don't want to do this on just dry skin. And then after, once you're done, it's important to cool the skin down as well. So you can do that. Just put cool cloths on it, a cryo pack or ice pack, maybe a cold shower, because we've just brought a lot of inflammation. And now we want to decrease that. So the cold after will certainly help.
That sounds wonderful.
Yeah. And then of course, you know, because I'm a massage therapist, I like to just kind of give them a little bit of love after I
love it. That's amazing.
So yeah.
All right. So call 603-622-3722 to book your appointment with Kim, our amazing massage therapist, chillologist, and Reiki master, and fascia blaster specialist. So we are excited. So call and book, or 24/7 you can book online at chillspa.com. All right. Well, have a beautiful night, everyone. Thank you, Kim.